How to make money online with YouTube in 2023. Making money through YouTube in 2023 involves a combination of strategies such as creating great content, growing your audience, and leveraging various monetization options available on the platform. Here are some steps to consider. Find your niche, identify the topics you are passionate about and create content around them. This will help you establish a loyal following and a unique brand. Create high-quality content. Invest in creating high-quality videos that are engaging, informative, and entertaining. Use professional equipment and editing software to produce content that stands out. Build your audience. Consistently upload videos and promote them on social media to increase your reach. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and creating a sense of community around your channel. Monetize your channel. There are several ways to make money on YouTube, including ad revenue. Once you have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, you can monetize your videos with ads. You earn a percentage of the ad revenue based on clicks and views. Sponsorships. Partner with brands that align with your content and promote their products or services in your videos. Merchandise. Sell merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or other branded items to your viewers. Fan funding. Allow viewers to donate money to support your channel through platforms such as Patreon or YouTube's Super Chat. Track your performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track your views, engagement, and revenue. Use this data to improve your content and identify opportunities for growth. Remember, making money on YouTube takes time, effort, and dedication. Keep creating great content, building your audience, and experimenting with new monetization strategies to grow your channel and revenue over time.